Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is confirmed. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 is around the corner and we even get a confirmed US certification for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And it is now confirmed that what processor we are going to get in the Z Fold 4, and yes, Z Fold 4 will get the best telephoto lens than the S22 Ultra and any other Galaxy device. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 in August along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And according to latest reports and rumors, we may see the Unpack event on the 10th of August, and you can expect the pre-orders from 16th of August, but these dates are not confirmed. This year, we are not going to see any Note device, so Samsung will have a high expectation from its foldable lineup this year. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the external S Pen? And are you guys interested in buying a case for Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 appears on FCC certification and gets an approval for the USA. The model number SMF935U appeared with the Qualcomm Gen 2 Smart Transmit technology, which means you're going to get the Qualcomm Snapdragon 1 Plus processor, and it was expected since foldable phones from Samsung always get a Qualcomm processor. The FCC certification reveals that the Z Fold 4 will come with the usual connectivity features from 2G to 5G, and will come with the 25 watt of fast charging and 15 watt of wireless charging, and there is no built-in S Pen slot. The FCC didn't reveal the release date, but it is expected on 10th of August. According to Anthony on Twitter, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with 3 lenses on the back. 50 megapixel main lens, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom, best so far in any Galaxy device, 10 megapixel selfie camera, and 4 megapixel under display camera. The main lens is capable of recording up to 8K and will come with the 1TB version, but remember, I already talked in my previous video that the 1TB version will be limited to selected markets. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 may come with a special color which is dark red, but it will be limited. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 cases are also out, and you can expect the same design just like the Z Fold 3 and just a bit of wider aspect ratio on both inner and outer displays. The Z Fold 4 will have a same battery 4400 mAh, but due to its new processor with 30% more power efficient, we can get a better battery backup than the Z Fold 3. And Samsung is also making Z Fold 4 the lightest foldable phone in the market, weighed around iPhone 13 Pro Max with a case, which is a big deal though. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. Are you guys happy with the external S Pen? And are you guys interested in buying a case for Z Fold 4? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.